Hello, hello, hello! Hello, everyone! Oh, welcome to my channel. This is a magic box, right, guys? It's so beautiful and wonderful magic box with so many balls, right? Look at this. How many balls? Look at this. What is this inside this box? But this is a magic box. I wanna try something inside. Okay, let's go. Oh, I go down. Oh, listen, sister. Oh, oh, guys. Whoa, so beautiful. What is it? This is a truck, right? Yes. Look at this. Whoa, this is a garbage truck. Right, whoa, so beautiful. Oh, let's try open the door. Wow. Oh, door is open. Look at these so beautiful doors. Whoa, close the doors. Right, yes, guys. Oh, cabin white. So beautiful. Oh, look at this back side. It's blue. Too beautiful, right? Yes. Look at this. This is a garbage. Whoa, open the door. Whoa, take some garbage inside. And we need drop it. Drop this garbage. Go down. Yeah. So nice. Close the door. Oh. So nice. Cleaning car. Whoa. No, guys. This is a garbage truck. Right. Whoa. So beautiful. Let's try one more. Wow. Wow. Look at this! Oh, concrete truck! Concrete mixer! Look at this mixer truck! Wow! This is spinning backside, it's spinning right! Oh, it's so beautiful! Look at this! Whoa! Look at this cabin! Whoa! Open the doors! Oh, close the doors! Right! Cabin is blue, so beautiful. Oh, spinning backside, so nice. White, whoa, and blue. Right, look at this. Ooh. Ooh. So beautiful. Oh, something inside, right? I see he go down. Ooh. So nice truck. Oh, I wanna find more. Wow, 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 wow. So nice, guys. This is a excavator, right? This is an excavator. So nice, look at this. Oh, he's torn, right? Oh, look at this cabin. Open the doors. Right cabin. Oh, look at this. Oh, we see something. Oh, I wanna take it. Oh. Go down, right? Oh, so beautiful. Well, excavator. So beautiful. Okay. Let's try something more. Oh, so many balls. Oh, oh. Whoa. This is grand, guys. Oh, this is grand. Look at things, grand. something. I wanna take it. Oh, we have 8 for the drop. Oh, drop it! Wow, so nice. Look at this cabin. Whoa, cabin is yellow, right? Close the door. Cranback side is green, right? Oh, beautiful. Whoa. But this is a nice ride. But I wanna find something more. Oh, I think I have more cars. Oh, there are so many trucks, but I cannot find. I go to the right side. Look at this. I don't have. Look at this. The left side don't have two. Oh, go to the down. But, oh. Listen. Oh. This is a postal machine, right? This is a postal truck. Oh, look at this. So beautiful. Is it wonderful? Whoa. Open the doors. Whoa, close the doors. Look at this cabin. Cabin is green. So beautiful. Wow. Oh, look at this. Beautiful white and green backside this machine. Oh, what do you think? Inside, oh, I think inside so many mails. We are open the doors. Look at this. Some guys take mails inside. When we come, we need drop it. Drop full mails. Drop full mails and close the doors. Alright. This is a postal machine. Wow. So nice. We have so many trucks, guys. Really, it was wonderful. Oh, I wanna find something more. Oh, look at this. Oh, so many balls. Wow. I have something. Oh. What is it? This is balls, paintballs. Oh, I think we don't have more trucks, guys. So, subscribe and press the button for make a like. And next video was so more interesting. We find more trucks or maybe find more cars. Maybe try find something. Let's go. Subscribe.